Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're actually headed over to the junkyard. I have to pick up a few things. I need to get a tail light for my Trailblazer. I got pulled over about a week ago. Didn't get a repair order or a ticket or anything. Just got basically a courtesy notice letting me know that here in the state of Maryland, I guess it's illegal to drive around with a tail light, even though it works if it's cracked. So I need to get that taken care of. So we're headed there now, and then I also need to get a spare tire for the Countach replica that I'm working on. It did not come with a spare, and the one that's on there now that I pulled off another car is just way too thin. Even though the original Countach did have a thin tire, it wasn't as thin as what I have. So we're going to go and match the bolt pattern for the studs, and then see if we can get something a little bit thicker. So we're headed there now, so let's get moving. Okay, we have arrived here at the junkyard. So let's get situated and head on in and see what they have. Wow, this car is seeing some action right here. Well, it's always a fun day here at the junkyard. I could actually spend all day in here. All these vehicles in here. Yep. Checking out what they have. Get some good deals at that. So, let's move on now and keep on searching. Well, we're in luck. Here's a Trailblazer EXT, just like I'm looking for. And there is the light that I need, the tail light. So let's go ahead and get that thing taken off. And then I think we're ready to head out. Okay, went ahead and removed that. So everything looks good. It's got all the connections here in the back are all intact. Everything here is in good shape. I think we're ready to roll. Let's go back and get the tire, and then we're heading out. Okay, we're going to go with this rim. This is off of a Dodge Neon. This pattern here matches closer to the original Countach pattern than the last tire. It looks like it just has this rubber coating on it, which is good because the rim is actually in excellent condition under here. So it's the right tire size, right bolt pattern. So we'll go ahead and take this one, clean it up, and we'll use this as our spare. Wow, there's an interesting situation there. That car looks like completely burned out. Let's go over and take a look at it, see what happened. This is a Dodge Charger. Looks like somebody spray painted it with a two-tone paint. Wow, this thing is completely toasted out. Look at that. And the interesting thing is he's even got a fire extinguisher, which obviously did not do him any good. Man, this thing is toast. Look at that, completely burned out. Here's another Charger, a black Charger. Looks like it was in a major accident. Let's go take a look at the front end. It's actually looks like a sad situation. There's the front. Man, that looks bad. Pray to God whoever was in it survived. Here's the inside. Airbags deployed, just a shambled mess. Well, thank you for watching Andy's Garage. I hope this video helped you out. Just a fun trip here to the junkyard. Highly recommend it if you're looking for parts. You can get good deals. There's a large variety to choose from. Please send any questions, comments. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.